PCA shit once again.
Help the innocent of superior pack and jeopardize unto suicidal version of homicidal massacre. Man, these other niggas is a fucking disgrace. Scrape up on my face, hit you with that curly and leave it unlawful, cruel and nasty taste. Clap left up in your mouth, either down here or in the south. No screaming ATA1 all day. All these niggas will get that has a spray. Man, my soldiers truly yield, and I'm about to heal them down. Not the fucking play, want some temperamental to earn a motherfucking mirror and full display. Open disbursement to leave you niggas dead and where you lay. COVID coughing on disbursement, man. Coming knocking at where you motherfucking stay. Out to the side and you reside. All your niggas will surely fucking die. The running motherfucking high. On this call, dropping, never let the beat motherfucking stop. So firm in the firmers, I'm climbing to the top. I'm so granger and in danger with hunger and thirst. Just to be able to clean your table, greed and seed. Just to be superior pack. So representatives will call. Beating on my back, trying to occur in retro pack. Running up the overseas just to overcome this cough and wheeze. COVID cough 19. COVID cough 19. COVID cough 19. Fully fledged, had these niggas coughing up their fucking lungs, nigga. Cremation of these pussy pounding hates in the fool. Rock dreadlock locking with the lock just to overstomp any nation with head temptation just to cause a motherfucking flavor with all in Tennessee just to blaze heat, displacement just to keep it teamless just to rule the streets and on obsolete just to quarantine doing bound you by your fucking spleen because all my death coming from the green. Hey, he diplomatic motherfucking overseas steadily occupied all about this fucking cream rules over the fucking dollar spool as you niggas fucking holler. And about forgiving crop, cream of the crop until my fucking cough stop. While I motherfucking heal, just know I secure the deal. While the life of them, the grim reaper has steadily walked in. Coming to souls, beating chains, chipping at the seams of concrete. While your life be depraved, as it's truly not worth much. So why do you get it a pass? Stack of value, I'm speaking value, get it out you. Out of motherfucking COVID call, cause they niggas will wait and install on the embrace of a fucking call. COVID cough 19. COVID cough 19. COVID cough 19. Fully fledged, had these niggas coughing up they fucking lungs, nigga.